Welcome to this technical guide for modern electricians on smart home ecosystems. We will explore the anatomy of connected homes and the professional installation techniques required for future-proofing electrical foundations. First, let's look at the anatomy of intelligence. We'll explore the hardware layer of a connected home to understand how these systems operate. The core system architecture consists of three elements: the hub, which acts as the brain; sensors, the eyes and ears that detect states; and actuators, the hands, like relays and dimmers, that control electrical loads. Hubs are essential for mesh networking reliability. This ensures that local automations still function, even if the internet goes down. Recommending a hub-based system also reduces Wi-Fi congestion and increases reliability for your clients. We use different wireless protocols. Wi-Fi is high power and prone to congestion. Zigbee and Z-Wave use low-power mesh networking, with each device acting as a repeater. Matter and thread are emerging as new standards for universal compatibility. For smart lighting, the main infrastructure need is the neutral wire, which provides constant power. Always specify 35 mm to 47 mm deep backboxes to accommodate smart modules behind traditional switch plates. The hardware trio includes PIR and temperature sensors for energy saving, relay modules for hidden app control, and leak detectors that trigger high-voltage shutoff valves. Next, we delve into professional installation, focusing on how to future-proof the electrical foundation of a smart home through proper wiring and centralized control systems. The market for connected devices is growing rapidly, tripling every 4 years. Electricians who understand smart technology will be the most sought-after contractors in the coming decade. When comparing wired versus wireless systems, wireless options like Zigbee and Z-Wave offer low installation costs and high reliability via mesh, but require battery changes. Hardwired systems like KNX are high cost, but offer exceptional reliability and zero maintenance. The most common callbacks are due to signal interference at 45% and compatibility issues at 30%. A pro tip is to avoid placing smart hubs near microwave ovens or thick concrete walls to minimize signal issues.